Some scattered showers are expected to move into our area, moving overnight tonight and into tomorrow. You're seeing that system now begin to make its way eastward, but it is beginning to spin out and even dissipate in parts of the system as it moves to the east and towards east central Illinois. So parts of the system will begin to dissipate and we won't be receiving as much rain as we previously forecasted. But looking here at Eastern's campus, we are seeing some of those clouds begin to develop here. And along with that, we saw high temperatures in the 70s throughout the daytime today. A high temperature of 74 degrees here in Charleston, although we did reach 81 degrees up in Champaign and reach 80 as well over in Danville. Now, as we move overnight tonight, we are going to see a dip in temperatures. We're going to see a low temperature of 55 degrees overnight tonight. And along with that, we're going to see that possibility of scattered showers and even possible thunderstorms as we move overnight tonight. Now, this will not be severe weather, but there is still a possibility of thunder and lightning reaching the ground. So there is still a risk of lightning as we move overnight tonight, but this will be scattered thunderstorms if they do develop into thunderstorms, not widespread. So not everyone will see this rainfall as we move overnight tonight. Now, for the timing of this rain, we're seeing some scattered showers move in the overnight hours around 2 a.m. Now, this rainfall will continue as we move into the morning hours. Even more scattered showers are expected. Once again, this isn't widespread, just scattered, so only certain people will see this rainfall. But moving into tomorrow, that possibility for rain will continue. We're seeing possible scattered showers throughout the entire daytime tomorrow, but as we move into the evening hours, this rain will move out, eventually leaving us with mostly cloudy skies for our evening. But because of this rain, we're seeing a lower high temperature of 67 degrees tomorrow, so a little bit cooler than what we saw today, but temperatures will begin to warm up as we start our weekend looking forward. Now, for the timing of this rain tomorrow, we're seeing those scattered showers in the morning hours, but as we move into the afternoon, we're seeing a little bit more rain and even more rain as we move into the late afternoon. Some heavier rain showers you see moving through the southern portions of our viewing area around 4 p.m. now, but this will be very quick and just possibilities of thunderstorms and scattered showers. The northern portions of our viewing area are likely not to see this rainfall, but the system will begin to clear up as we move into the morning hours, once again leaving us with mostly cloudy skies. But those clouds will clear up too as we finish off the work week. Clear skies on Friday, but temperatures will still stay down into the 60s as we finish off our work week. A high temperature of 64 on Friday, but temperatures are going to start to warm up as we make it to the weekend. High temperature of 68 degrees on Saturday, once again under clear skies, and eventually reaching the 70s once again by the end of the weekend. A high temperature of 73 degrees under partly cloudy skies, and those clouds will indicate some rainfall on its way. But the reason for this cool down and the warm up is partially due to the rain, but also due to our upper level jet stream. You're seeing here on Friday, because of those cooler temperatures, we are under a trough of cooler air that's cooling off our temperatures. But as we move into Saturday, you'll see that trough move off to the east and a ridge of warmer air move over top of us, and that will only intensify as we make it to Sunday, eventually warming us back up into those 70-degree temperatures. And we're going to continue to warm up because we're expected to be above average for the next 6 to 10 days. That average for this time of year is typically in the mid-70s for the beginning of May. And as we look forward, we're definitely going to warm up above that looking into next work week, but we do have temperatures cooling back down and warming back up throughout the entire week. But by the next work week, we are expected to get back up into the 80s by next Wednesday.